Hello, how you doing? So today I will demonstrate how to write protect a USB drive and also how to block port. Um, the purpose that you want to do write protection on USB drive will be to make sure you protect your sensitive information. You could protect your files or data from being accidentally deleted or modified. It also prevents malware from being written onto your USB, and a block port is essentially so you can protect it from unauthorized data transfers. It also helps protect your device from having malware injected into via USB port. That's a good practice for anywhere in an environment where your desk is open to the general public, or your desk is open to other associates or other peers that don't have that much privilege as you do. So that's a good little security practice that you could implementing. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead Internet Explorer. I'm already on Google. Search for a USB security tool. It's Thumbscrew by Iron Geek. So it's by Iron Geek. It's called Thumbscrew. Okay, so we're gonna click on this one first, this little link right here, and it's gonna give you a couple information about it. The arrow right here, which will help you save it where you want to save it, anywhere so you know you can get quick access to it. Just gonna save it, and then I'm gonna open the file. So as soon as we open the file, we're gonna be right here. You could notice that it is zipped. Um, I will right click on there and extract all. So we're gonna extract all the files from it, and it's gonna be right there. It's popped up. You can see it's not zipped no more. And we're gonna double click and double click on there. So there it is. It's right here. That's our USB. Double click, and there we go. It's right there. USB disabled .ico. Okay, we're gonna click on here. Make sure it's right here on the right hand corner. There it is. You can see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the file that. Sorry about that. We're gonna go to the file that I want to secure. So it's right here. It's the project timelines. I'm gonna right click on that, and I'm going to send, which is gonna send a copy to the 8 gig thumb. Okay, there it goes. So I send the copy. Now we're gonna click on it and click on here, and there you go. We're gonna make it USB read only. See right here, and there you go. You see the little do not little sign? It's gonna be right there. Okay. So now, as you can say, we're gonna see if we are able to click on it again and send to it, and then see what it tells us if we want to send something. So the destination is already has a file named project timeline. Replace this file, so we could say we could send it. Like I said, you're able to save files in there. You just can't delete them, or you can modify them, but you can send files to it. So you're able to send files to the USB even if you disable, or I mean, write protection in it. That's basically it. You can't write on it. You can't delete it. You can't do nothing to it, but you can only can save or view. Okay, and now we just go ahead and then eject our USB. Okay, yes, I'm able to eject it, and you can safely take it off your computer. And that's how you do a write protection on a USB drive. Okay, so now for us to do a block port. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the start, which is the Windows logo here, and go ahead and right click. We're gonna put run. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to go into the register editor, so the window registry, and go ahead. It's gonna run, and there is registry editor. Press yes, and we're gonna be right here. So this is the interface, the register editor, and we're gonna click on the local machine, which is our machine. We're gonna go ahead and expand that. Then we're gonna expand your system, and we're gonna go right here. This is the control set. Click on that, expand that, and we're gonna go to services. And now what we're gonna do is scroll real quick. I'm gonna go to USB store. So we're gonna go right here, and there you go. You're looking for the reg D word. Double click, and we're gonna change it from a value date of 3 to a 4. Minimize this window, and we're gonna see if the USB drive is there. See if we're able to disable it successfully. Click on here, and we can't even send it there, so it's not even an option on there. Okay, so we successfully disabled the USB port. Let's go back to the registry editor. We're going to click on it again and change the value back to 3. Go ahead and press OK and minimize this window. And you can see it's right back on there. So now we enable the USB port. So that's how you successfully do a block port. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.